Hey everyone! Welcome to My YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 free AI tools in 2025 that can save you time and make your work super easy. Whether you want to write, design, or create videos, these tools will help you get it done for free. So, let's get started. Tool 1. ChatGPT, Writing AI. Number 1 is ChatGPT. This AI tool can help you write articles, emails, scripts, or even solve problems in seconds. You just type your question and it gives you a clear answer instantly. It's perfect for students, freelancers, and anyone who wants to save time. Tool 2. Canva, AI Design. Number 2 is Canva. Canva's AI features let you design posters, social media posts, and thumbnails easily. You can even generate images using AI inside Canva. The best part? It's free and beginner-friendly. Tool 3. Pictory, AI Video Maker. Number 3 is Pictory. With Pictory, you can turn text into videos automatically. Just paste your script, select a template, and the AI creates a video for you. It's great for YouTube creators and marketers. Tool 4. Copy.ai, Marketing AI. Number 4 is Copy.ai. This AI helps you write marketing content, social media captions, product descriptions, and even email campaigns. You just give it a topic and it generates text instantly. Tool 5. DALL-E 3 AI Image Generator. Finally, number 5 is DALL-E 3. This AI tool can generate amazing images from text. You type what you want and it creates unique pictures, perfect for thumbnails, presentations, or social media content. So that's it. These are the top 5 free AI tools in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and AI tips.